Hello aspirants, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to cover complementary angles. Complementary angle is nothing but 90 degree. So let us take an example. Alpha and beta are complementary. So both alpha and beta can be complementary. I can write alpha plus beta is equal to 90 degree. Suppose let us take a right angled triangle and let me name this side as beta and this side as alpha, or this side as theta, or this side as 90 minus theta. So now here theta and 90 minus theta are complementary. So we can write theta plus 90 minus theta are complementary. In the same way, sine is complementary to cos. Tan is complementary to cot. Cosecant is complementary to secant. In the same way, I can write interchange and write cos alpha is complementary to sin beta. Cot alpha is complementary to tan beta. In the same way, secant alpha is complementary to cosecant beta. So this is a concept called complementary angles. Let's move on to the problem based on complementary angle. Now the first problem, the value of cot 30 degree minus cot 75 degree divided by tan 15 degree minus tan 60 is. So now in numerator I can write cot 30 as tan 60 minus cot 75 as tan 15, the denominator as it is. Tan 15 minus tan 60. Let me interchange the denominator place for my convenience. I can write tan 60 minus tan 15 divided by, for interchanging I need to add minus sign here. So in the same way, denominator as tan 60 minus tan 15. So at last we get minus of tan 60 minus tan 15 is tan 45 degree divided by tan 60 minus tan 15 is tan 45 degree. We know that tan 45 is 1, so minus 1 is the answer. Option D. Now the next problem, evaluate 3 cos 80 degree into cosecant 10 degree plus 2 cos 59 degree into cos 31 is. Okay, I can write 3 into cos 80 as sin 10 degree, cosecant 10 as it is, plus 2 cos 59 as sin 31 degree, cosecant 31 as it is. Let me tell you the reason why 31 is not yet changed. Now we know already that sin theta is equal to 1 by cosecant theta, right? I can write this statement as sine theta into cosecant theta is equal to 1. So I am substituting this sine theta and cosecant theta is equal to 1 in the given statement here. So here we get 3 into, this is in the form of sine theta and cosecant theta. So here 1, substituting 1 as plus 2 into, here sine into cosecant, so 1. We get finally 5 as the answer. So option D. Next problem. If tan 2 theta plus 45 degree is equal to cot 3 theta, where they are given the condition 2 theta plus 45 degree and 3 theta are acute angles. Acute angles means less than 90 degree. Then the value of theta is, okay, let me take tan 2 theta plus 45 degree is equal to cot of 3 theta. Okay, we know that tan and cot are complementary. So I am writing this as 2 theta plus 45 degree plus 3 theta is equal to 90 degree. So now 45 degree plus 5 theta is equal to 90 degree. So 5 theta is equal to 45. So thereby theta is equal to 9 degree. So option D is the answer. Now the next problem. If A, B and C be the angles of triangle, okay, then out of the following the incorrect relation is. They are asked to find the incorrect relation given in the option. Okay, let's take A plus B plus C are angles of triangle. Angles of triangle means it can be 180 degree altogether. So to make it into the given option format, let me write A plus B plus C divided by 2 is equal to 180 divided by 2. Now just I am dividing these terms by 2. So from this I can write A plus B divided by 2 plus C by 2 is equal to 90 degree. Now it came to the given format in the option. Now let us see which relation is incorrect. Now let's see the option. Sine is complementary to cos, right? Cos is complementary to sine, right? Tan is complementary to cot, right? Okay. Now option D. Tan is complementary to cot. So here they have given secant. So for secant is complementary to cosecant. So option D is the incorrect. Now the next problem. If 0 is less than x and x is less than pi by 2. Pi by 2 means nothing but 90 degree, and they have given the question secant x is equal to cosecant y. Then the value of sine of x plus y. Okay, we know that secant is complementary to cosecant, right? So here secant x is equal to cosecant y. So these two terms are complementary to each other. So I can write x plus y is equal to 90 degree. They are asked to find sine of x plus y. So sine x plus y, sine of 90 degree. Sine 90 degree is 1. So B is the answer. Now the next problem. Sine 60 plus theta is equal to cos of psi. plus 30 degree, then the value of tan of psi minus theta is, okay, sine of 60 degree plus theta is equal to cos of psi plus 30 degree. We know that sine and cos are complementary to each other, so 60 plus theta plus psi plus 30 degree is equal to 90 degree. So theta plus psi plus 90 degree is equal to 90 degree. So finally we get theta plus psi is equal to 0 degree. So they are asking for tan of psi minus theta. Whatever we interchange here, we get the answer 0 degree. So tan of psi minus theta is equal to 0 degree. So tan of 0 degree is equal to 0. So 0 is the answer. Now the next problem. If 3a is equal to cos of a minus 26, where 3a is acute angle, then the value of a is, okay, let me write, sin 3a is equal to cos of a minus 26. We know that sin and cos are complementary. Now 3a plus a minus 26 degree is equal to 90. So 4a is equal to 90 plus 26 degree. Altogether we get 116 degree. So 4a. So a is 116 divided by 4. We get a as 4 2s are 8, remaining 3 6. So 36, 4 9s are 36. So 29 degree is the answer. Option A. So that's it for the basics on composite angle. Please comment, share and like this video. I have given the link of previous trigonometry classes in the description. And subscribe to my channel for regular updates. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.